I'm super excited to be sharing with you the analyzer and how it works in today's short training video. I'm super excited that you're here. Let's just jump into it right now. So looking at it first, this is the analyzer chart, a very simple way to understand exactly what's going on right now. If the line is green, it is a buy recommendation, meaning that it's the best time to buy that stock because it's trending higher. If it's blue, it typically means that it's a hold or neutral. If it's red, then that means it's in a downtrend or likely to move lower. Again, you can kind of see the rest of the stock here up to 5 years of past data there as well. So that is the fun feature. If you want to see all the features of the analyzer, which means you're only seeing this part, you want to see the SMA, you can add that here, the dev high and dev low, you can add that as well. Volume and stuff is coming soon on that. If you want to add the stock to your watch list, just simply click add. Now let me go through the cool features here. So again, I'm going to start off with this because this is where the main function is. This is where everything is. It shows you the best place to buy the stock. Again, the buy range is just the best place to buy this stock. It's typically where you can get in at the lowest price. So again, you want to buy within the buy range, but if you can't and it's still a buy recommendation, then it's a great stock to buy. You also have a take profit, which is how high we expect the stock to reach based on previous trading patterns. And then we have stop loss, which is where you're expected to have that stop loss so that if in case the stock crashes against you, at least you limit your losses. And then you have your risk to reward, which means you're risking $1 to potentially make $5, and that's amazing. All right, breaking it down here, it shows you simply the stock symbol, and it shows you the company name. It shows you the last closing price, which is the price of the stock when this page loaded. And then it also has a few recommendations. So it has great buy, sell, and hold. So again, sell is again when the stock is crashing down or we expect it to start crashing soon. Hold is when the stock is neutral and we don't see any clear direction. Buy is when the stock is in a obvious uptrend or the line is green here and we're moving higher. Great buy is when the stock price is currently within the optimal buy range. Then you have a great buy, right? Because it's the best time to buy that stock. The description here kind of is a short thing that tells you everything you want to know about the stock. It tells you about trend, it tells you about stop loss, potential for profit, how long it takes to reach the profit target, and then your accuracy rating on that stock. So it's pretty awesome there as well. It shows you related stocks when you scroll down based on how the stock moves. So for instance, if this is a fast mover, it's going to pull up other fast movers in the same sector. So you kind of have these. If you want to learn more about them, you just click and then I'll go to the analyzer for that as well. And then you can also see what others are saying. So for instance, if you wanted to talk about Shopify, you just go here, you type, hey guys, I'm looking at Shopify. I'm thinking about buying at this level. Does anybody else agree, etc., etc. So you can get other people's opinions just to make sure you're kind of seeing things right. But in general, if you follow the recommendations, this tends to help you do well. And so that's kind of what we're seeing here as well. Again, if you want to look up any stock symbol, you just start typing here. You can search by company name or by stock symbol. So for instance, if I type in Apple, it's also going to pull up Apple as well. So we can kind of do that. Again, it takes a bit to load because it's running so much data to get you the most accurate results. And now we can see Apple here as well. If you want to add it to your watch list, just simply click the add button here. This stock is already on my watch list, so it shows the negative sign. And this is a very simple way to see everything you ever wanted to know about any stock. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this training video over the analyzer. I hope it makes sense. If you have any questions, feel free to open up this chat box and ask me anything. I'm only one click away.